In this section of our case study, we will learn how to build a P&L statement. Let's start by copying all the categories from our database. I'll paste them in a new sheet. We already saw how the remove duplicates function is applied. Let's use it again. The dialog box tells us the function eliminated the duplicate values. These will be the components of our P&L. Let's order them. I'll start by putting the revenues on top. First, net sales. Then, other revenues and recharges. The sum of these components will give us the total revenues amount. Below them, we will have direct costs. The difference between total revenues and direct costs will be our gross margin. Below gross margin are the operating expenses, which cannot be considered variable in nature. We will have other operating expenses, personnel expenses, leasing services, and travel costs. It would be appropriate to include also other income and capitalized costs at this level, given their operating nature. Now we will have the EBITDA result, which stands for earnings before interests, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Below EBITDA is D&A, after which we will have EBIT. Below EBIT are financial items and extraordinary items. This results into EBT, or earnings before taxes. After we consider the taxes, the result will be net income. What remains to be done is to populate the P&L for FY16, FY17, and FY18, and give a proper formatting to the sheet. We will do that in the next 2 videos of the case study. This is a 365 Careers video. Thanks for watching.